Cinnamon challenge.
Oh my god. Okay. I have this. I have my water. I have this thing in case I like throw up my guts. Okay. Hey Neil, go away.
And cinnamon.
Oh my god. Okay.
1,
2,
2, 3.
3.
Just eat it. Guys. Just eat it. Eat it. Just.
I can't do it.
Chris. Eat it. You gotta chew it, Grace. Chew it. Chew it. Chew it. You two are failures.
Oh.
Failures. Know how much you failed? Fail.
Oh my god.
You guys.
That is nasty. Oh. Hi. Yeah, we failed. I got stuff in my face. Okay, bye.